Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix this county game not launching, crashing, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, the next solution is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library sections, click on properties, then under general you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this solution helps you. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your drivers, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Nvidia and AMD users, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy this link, paste in your browser and select your graphics details, and after that download and install the latest graphics card on your PC and then try to launch the game and check if this helps you. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall, then click on allow an app, then click on change settings, and here you need to search for the game if it is listed. So in my case it's listed over here. You can add this by going to click on allow another app, then go to the browse section over here, select your game where it has been installed, and after that add it to the list, and once it's added, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, try to play the game and check if this helps. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to click on check for updates option. If any update is available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to play the game and see if this resolves the issue. Next is to run game as an administrator. So for that, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files, and this will take you to the folder where your game has been installed. Select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, and then click on run this program as an administrator and hit on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, and after that click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if it works. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for graphics settings. Now check if your game has been listed. If not, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder where it has been installed, Steam apps common, and here your game has been installed. Simply select that application and click on add. So it will be added over here. Now click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You need to select high performance, and after that try to play the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to library in Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall option over here. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Steam and again reinstall the game and then try to play the game and check if this solution helps to fix the issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.